In this video, I will be showing how to draw animals and birds in the Gond art style. Let us begin with a few birds. Notice the simplicity of forms. The peahens are the most popular among the birds in art. Here is a flying bird that is approaching a tree. This is one more style of the first bird, a little more decorative. Now let us draw a couple of deers. In spite of the simplicity of drawing, one can notice that it conveys an activity or movement as well. The cross contours that I am drawing now not only conveys the roundedness of figure but also creates an interesting break in the design. It provides individual compartment for a change in color or design. The double lines provides a breathing space or relief from the monotony of design. I am drawing some fishes and crab now. I have left the claws of the crab unfinished because it will transform into a tree. The same thing happens with the tail of the fish and the trunk of the elephants. I am also showing easy methods of drawing the tiger face and bull or cow face. Their bodies generally are depicted as blending with the other animals or background trees. Gond art represents two main ideas that the community values in high regard. One is the interdependence of nature. The symbiotic relationship of animals, birds and trees and man is always the theme of their art. The other is that everything in nature is guarded by a spirit and they are the witness to everything around them. That is why the eye has a prominent place in the art. Now you can see that the tree I have completed has a lot of eyes in it instead of the leaves. This is just to show that the eyes, the tree is a witness to everything around it. Let us now look at different designs in Gond art. I have painted some swashes using camlin colors. I have used an oval shape just to make it look more organic. How did you like this video? Do share your views in the comment section. Also let me know what else you would like to learn in this channel.